How to make your next camping trip one to remember. Camping is a great way to spend time with friends and family. It bonds you with your loved ones like never before. However, there are many things to consider when you are planning a camping trip. The following video can help you better prepare yourself the next time you go camping. Reserve your spot at a campground as soon as possible. Particularly in the summer, many people are interested in camping with their families. If you make your reservation in the winter, you are much more likely to get the best rate possible. Those savings can translate into additional family fun while on your vacation. When you pack up your campsite to go home, leave a few logs and some kindling for the next camping group that comes along. If you have ever arrived at your site after dark, you know how tough it can be to find firewood. It's a very nice pay-it-forward gesture that will probably help out more than you can imagine. Research any potential campground well. They all have different amenities. Some may have showers and bathrooms, while others may not. There are even a few campgrounds that are quite fancy, with on-site miniature golf games or water parks. You may not need or want all that, so figure it out ahead of time so that you are not disappointed when you get there. Get everything you need ready for your meals before you get to your campsite. If you are only camping for a few days, this initial trip to the store should be all that you need to do. Stock up on non-perishable items, too. You don't want you or your family members to be hungry on your trip. If you will be camping somewhere that is very far away from civilization, then make sure you have told several people where you will be as well as how long you are intending to stay. Ask them to call you on the day you are supposed to return to ensure your safety. Purchase a multi-use tool to store with your camping gear. This tool should include an axe, hammer and saw. The multi-use tool will come in handy when you are searching for firewood, clearing a trail and setting up your tent. When purchasing a multi-use tool, get one of the good quality one for years of enjoyment. Do not dump any type of food waste on the ground. This is a great way to attract unwanted bugs and animals. The best way to get rid of excess food waste is to dump all of it into the fire pit. It is also not a good idea to bury them. If you have a young child with you, do the math in advance with respect to how much baby food or formula they will need. Make sure you have supplies for them that will last the entire length of your trip. There are no guarantees that a store near your campsite will have these items or will have the type of items that you want. As was stated in the beginning of this video, camping requires a great deal of preparation prior to each trip. Use the tips mentioned above to help make sure that you plan your trip wisely so that you and your loved ones are sure to have a great time. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.